Hello everyone, warm welcome to Unique Bundle. This is the first tutorial video of one of best free video editor software, Shotcut. I am going to show you how to download it and getting started. Please don't miss any moment of the video. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome, search for Shotcut download and click on it. Click this link Shotcut download. Once you get into official website of Shotcut. If you're using Windows, please choose this link to free download. Once you click it, it will start downloading. It will take a bit of time. However, depending on your internet speed. Please wait until it downloads. Once complete, please click it. It will ask for administrative permission. Please just click on yes. Then you have to agree license. Please click on I agree, click next, tick on create desktop shortcut. If you would like to create desktop icon, then click install. It will start downloading. It will take some time to download and install the Shotcut, depending on your internet speed. Once finished, please click on close. Please close Windows browser. Here you can see Shotcut icon on desktop. Please double click on it. It will open Shotcut Videos Editor. Once it open, this the real interface of Shotcut Video Editor. It looks like what it is. How to use it. Please don't worry at all. I will be showing you step by step. So, this is the overall looks of Shotcut. To create all of my videos, I've been using this software. Let's get started. This projects folder, where you can choose to save your Shotcut project. Please click on it, and choose the destination where you want to save your projects. For me, I am going to choose this drive. Why? Next you can choose video mode. Please click here and choose custom, then click on add. Once this dialog box pop up, give a video mode name, and please choose your video settings. For me, I am going to leave resolution as it is. However, I am going to change frames per second to 60, because I will be editing my videos which are 60 frames per second. Then, click OK. Please, give a project name. For me, I am giving Shotcut Videos Editor Lesson 1. Then, click on Start. Here you can see project name here, and on left top of the software. You can check your project destination. For me, as I showed you before, this is my project destination. If you couldn't finish your project at once, you can always come back and reopen it, and start again where you have left. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you on next lesson. I will be continuing from here in next video. I hope you learn about Shotcut. If you have any questions, please leave on comment.